Raychem state-of-the-art 3D heat management system design software. In the beginning, heat tracing was dominated by piping isometric drawings, which had to be taken off and entered into a design system manually. This was a very labor-intensive process and prone to error. This was the standard until 2005, when Raychem revolutionized the industry, creating the first heat tracing design system, Alien, utilized electronic piping files. Yet even with this level of automation, other complexities such as separate design databases, project data locked in Excel, and additional scope such as equipment or instruments all remained separate sources of data that could only be added manually. As this data was revised during the project, synchronizing it through the design cycle became very difficult, causing errors, delays, and rework. TracerLynx was built to solve this problem. TracerLynx is one powerful database combining all client information, design data, and deliverables in a singular program. With TracerLynx, every element needed to design a full heat management system can be imported to one system, where the entire project can be managed and designed. From heat loss calculations to cable selection and power connection placement, TracerLynx does it all, leading to a more efficient and accurate project. With TracerLynx, we can begin heat trace design before pipe design is complete, compressing overall project time. As new data is made available, TracerLynx quickly recognizes process changes and their effect on your project. The system flags these changes automatically, ensuring you stay on schedule. In the past, EHT design software was always separate from the value of a 3D model. The ability to visualize the entire project with structure, tray, and buildings in a true 3D environment allows to optimize power connection and panel placement, minimizing power cable runs. What are the actual cost savings? Since not all projects are alike, it varies, but savings could be anywhere from 15, 20, or even 25% of the overall power distribution cost. Raychem is the only company with the power to design and optimize your heat management solution in true 3D, ensuring your project stays on time and on budget. And it's only the beginning. Speak to your Raychem sales representative for more information about TracerLynx.